with Hicks. Continuing on. Yeah, you're going that way. I reckon you'll be right. Get to Laura, check it, or get, you know, 60 k's or something to Laura.
I'll check in with you.
450 k's to Cairns. Man, fuck, I hope that wheel holds up, eh? Is it loose now? Geez, solid as. Tom and I are going that way. Hicks is going that way. He's going straight to Cairns, and we're gonna go to Lion's Den, hopefully. Stay safe, mate. See ya, mate. And then there were two. Here we are. I can't believe his wheel just is like that. I mean, there's always something, isn't there?
Tom and I are heading back to Cairns via Lakefield, Old Laura and the Bloomfield track. There's not much more we can do for Hicks, so he went straight down the PDR, fast-tracking his trip home. We spoke to some locals about how to find a crocodile, and they told us some good spots to check out.
This is where we're going to find a crocodile. Holy crap, dude. This is where we're going to find a crocodile. For sure. Bubbles, dude. She said if there's bubbles, there's a crocodile. Surely there's not one right there with it. Oh no, are they bubbles? No, they're little fish things.
This is Saltwater Creek, a great barra spot, so we thought we'd find a crocodile for sure. Probably not the smartest thing to go looking for, but it turns out they're pretty hard to find.
We didn't find the crocodile. Cool, cool. Moto Odyssey. It's a fucking rig, isn't it? Crocs are hard to see. Just because you can't see one doesn't mean there isn't one close by. Yeah, I don't, dude, there would have been one fucking just watching us when we pulled up before. Absolutely, there was one in there.
Just watching us fucking around.
Yeah, mucking around. Yeah.
Old Laura Station. Historic site. What a sick rig. The hell.
Steering's a bit tight, but...
Oh yeah, just a bloody bit of a fixer-upper. Got the gallows over there for anyone that tried to abandon ship.
Kind of water tower.
Yeah.
Fucking go in a bit.
It's like fenced off. Obviously they don't want people going in there. So one of these, actually this one could have been the workshop.
Yeah, I reckon that's the blacksmith and that's the original workshop.
And that looks like the Aboriginal workers' hut. These are mango trees. Look at the size of them. What's full on mangoes on there?
Well, not ready yet, but...
Wow.
Look at this, looks very river-like down here. Here's the Laura River. Look at this. Nice little bloody river crossing. Oh yeah, she's crocky alright. Oh yeah. Wet feet. How good.
After a stop at Old Laura Homestead, we take Endeavour Battle Camp Road back towards Cooktown. A solid run, great scenery, and a few more kilometres off the bitumen.
Bit of a crock puddle. Oh, fucking deep. It's like I want to look around, but I don't want to crash. Another little crossing here. Yeah. Well, it gets its name because it's made of black rock, and they call it Black Mountain. And I think that's pretty self-explanatory just by looking at it. The people were like, what are we going to name it? And someone was like, well, you know what? It's a black mountain. Let's call it that, Black Mountain. Dude, go up it. Go up it. Oh, what's up here? Oh, well, look where we are.
Black Mountain. Here it is. We didn't stop on the way up. So just fucking try and negotiate our way up here. Just outside Cooktown lies Black Mountain, a vast field of jet black boulders steeped in mystery and local legend. No trees, no clear paths, just shifting rock and stories that surround this ancient place. It's said that people and animals have vanished into the voids, never to be seen again. Beneath the boulders is a maze of passages and chambers that have drawn explorers for centuries. It is home to some unique wildlife as well, including tales of the infamous Queensland tiger.
The like scale of it, you know?
After leaving Cooktown, we head into the Lion's Den for dinner, a beer, and camp the night.
Righto, so we just left Lion's Den, camped the night, got pretty wet because it pissed down rain all night. Gonna do Bloomfield track today, so that'll take us from Bloomfield to Cape Trib, and then we'll just be on the road pretty much back to Cairns. Take it pretty easy on these slippery roads because I've still got, I don't know how good these front tyres are in the wet. Probably not great because they're not good in the dry. Tarzan in his natural habitat. You didn't get real high, did you? Check it.
Epic.
Where the bloody jungle meets the sea. Dude, it's insane. Pretty sweet view. Pretty sweaty though. Oh, look at it up there, man. Oh. Look, the world's best motor track. Brap, brap, brap.
That's a waterfall, right?
That's probably a waterfall, yeah. Even better. God! Oh, it hurts! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, it's hitting my lips, my mouth, fuck! Oh, this sucks! Far out! So, this is fucking... Oh, dude, I'm so wet. Fuck. Rain is coming. It's just insane. Just gonna have to cop it. I think we're just gonna have to cop it. At least, hang on, these are wet again. What the fuck? Hey? Yeah, absolutely. Here's in the Daintree on the ferry. I wonder how deep it is out here, man. Fucking hell. Check this out. Oh yeah. This is a pretty specky road down here though, like it is actually pretty nice. First set of lights in 3,000 kilometers. It's kind of weird to see them, you know. Alright, made it to Cairns. The weather is obviously beautiful. Bikes are going in today for a bit of for new tyres, get them to change the oil and all that sort of stuff. I was going to do it, but man, it's like doing it outside, it's going to be shit. Thought I'd just spend the time to go over a bit of tyre life. So these are the Maxxis MX IH Plus. These are the Australian version. Now, you can see there, it's about just under a finger width on the large knob, and you know, on the backside a little lower, but there's still a bit of life left in there. They are worn. I wouldn't want to go too much further on them. But that's the rear. I'm really impressed with how they're worn, like 3,000, about 3,100 Ks, I think, from Cairns to the tip and back. The front though, man, the front is like brand new. Like, still got the little divots in there, like they haven't fanned out. Like, I'll tell you what, like, I'm impressed with how they're worn, especially the front, like, and they feel pretty good. But yeah, I mean, realistically, I could just change the rear and run the front home, but they're just not that good on the road, like, especially the wet tar, like, they just don't have that much grip. As like a more like dual sporty top style, like an MT21 or something. But yeah, pretty happy with it.
Taking on an adventure like this really is a once-in-a-lifetime thing, but doing it with your mates, that's what makes it special. We've travelled over 6,000 kilometres to get here, on small, single-cylinder bikes, some running tech straight out of the 1990s, trusting them and each other every step of the way. There were moments that pushed us, highs that felt unreal, lows where quitting would have been easier. But in between all that, we saw parts of Australia most people only ever talk about, crossing country that stays with you long after the dust settles. And somehow, every bike made it back to Cairns, more or less in one piece. Not because they're perfect, but because they're honest machines that kept showing up day after day. I still remember standing in a dealership in Sydney, telling a bloke I wanted to cross the Simpson on a CRF 450L. He laughed, said it couldn't be done, said the engine wouldn't last and I wouldn't make it. That conversation was 25,000 kilometres ago. Since then, this bike has carried me across the Simpson, through South Australia, the Victorian High Country, around Tasmania, up the New South Wales coast, and now to the very top of Australia, without letting me down once. But this isn't the end. Tom and I still have over 3,000 kilometres to ride before we're home. That road back, and the stories that come with it, will be the next chapter. So keep an eye out for the Gari Island Adventure series, because the journey's not finished yet.
Till we drop and the good times don't stop.